Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you want to send a snap that looks live without uploading from your camera roll, here's the quick trick. First, open the Snapchat app and log into your account. From the main screen, swipe to the camera view. This is where you normally take snaps. If you want your snap to appear live, simply take a photo or record a video right now using the Snapchat camera. You can swipe left or right to add filters, stickers, or text just like any normal snap. Once you're happy with it, tap the blue send button at the bottom right. And here choose your friends or your story and then hit the arrow icon at the bottom right. If you try to send a snap from your camera roll, it will show as from camera roll. The only way for it to appear live is to capture it directly inside Snapchat. And that's how you send a live snap without using media upload. If this tutorial helped, hit like and subscribe for more such guides. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.